Hello friends, how are you all? Today let us make a simple paper house for Halloween decorations. See, make lines like this the way I am making. It is very simple. You can, even the kids can make it. Now cut these areas properly, the side squares, and that is it. Then you don't have to touch the scissors at all. Just fold these triangle parts and the roof is ready, and the other flaps are used as walls and doors. That is it. If it is required, you can even stick these two flaps. Now let us draw doors and windows on this spooky haunted house for our spooky cuties. Make they look as spooky as possible. Now these kind of windows, then in this window there is a ghost. Let's paint the roof. Spooky yellow light is showing from the window, glass window and doors, and the walls are spookily blue. I don't know what word to use. Now that naughty ghost is peeping from the window and they are all having fun. So friends, so far how do you like the look of this house? The outer side is ready. Let's add some more details like the cobwebs, spiders, maybe a pumpkin. Yeah, let us decorate from inside. Hey, there are a lot of ghosts here. I love them all. Oh, what am I saying? It does not even make sense to me. But the point is, hope you are learning how to make this cute little paper house for our ghosts as Halloween decorations. Trick or treat, happy Halloween. Now we are going to paint the way we like. Let your imagination run wild. And this is my favorite topic, even here while I'm making this video, the weather is so funny. It is thundering outside. So you can hear the thunder, and I'm enjoying this activity so much. Now this house is ready. Hope you'll like it.